Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. Today, we are going to be doing some addition and subtraction number stories that are going to involve two-digit numbers, bigger numbers. So, let's get started as I shrink myself into the corner. Today, you are going to be doing grade 1, lesson 5.11. Two-digit addition and subtraction. You will need your whiteboard and your marker, and you will need your number grid placed inside your sheet protector so that you can use your number grid to help solve some of these bigger number stories. Remember, if you don't have all those materials, you can hit that pause button while you look for them and gather them up, because we are going to get started right now with our math message. Remember that the math message is like our warm-up. It's our springboard into the lesson. So let's see what our math message is today. A koala weighs 19 pounds. Here's the koala. A skunk weighs 9 pounds. Here's the skunk. What is their total weight? Key word here is total. That's like saying in all or all together. Record your answer on your whiteboard, and if you can write the number model also, that would be very impressive. Remember, you can use your number grid or any other strategy you would like. Go ahead and solve the math message. Hit that pause button while you finish it. When you're done, press play. We'll see how you did. All right, let's go over and see how you did. Now, one of the ways that you could solve this problem is by using that part-part total diagram. Remember, we have our two parts, and the two parts equals the total. And my one part was 19. The other part was 9. And it's the total that we have to figure out. So my number model would be 19 plus 9 equals, and I don't know yet. That's what we have to figure out. And the neat thing about knowing our number model is we now can use our number grid to help us. So I'm going to start at my bigger number. My bigger number is 19. Here it is. And then I'm going to count up 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you get 28 for your answer? How much do they weigh in all? 28 pounds. Awesome job. You can clear off your sheet protector and your whiteboard, so we're going to try another problem. Today we're going to be looking at addition and subtraction problems that involve some bigger numbers. Here's another one for us to try. This time it says a squirrel weighs 4 pounds. Here you can see the little squirrel. A beaver weighs 56 pounds. Here's the beaver. What is their total weight? You see the word total again. So that's going to tell us that this is a problem that involves us getting a bigger answer. Addition. Go ahead and try to solve this problem using your number grid and your whiteboard. See if you can come up with the number model to solve this problem. Hit that pause button while you're working on it. When you're done, press play. We'll see how you did. All right, let's go over this problem. So, because this is another total problem, an addition problem, I'm going to use my part-part total to really help me with this one. So one of my parts is 4. The other part is 56. And my two parts combined will give me my total, which I don't know yet. That's what I have to solve. Now my number model is shown right here in my diagram. I have 4 plus 56 equals, and that's what I need to solve. Now I can use my number grid for this problem, but there's really something that you must do that's important. One really important strategy is to always start adding with the bigger number. My bigger number is 56, so I'm going to start at 56, and then I'm going to add the other number, which is 4. So I'm going to count up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look where I land, on the number 60. How much do they weigh total? In all, 60 pounds. Now, I can start at 56 because the turnaround fact always works in addition. So I was thinking of this problem as 56 plus 4. Imagine if I started with the number 4. Let's just do that for fun. Let's start at the number 4 and let's count up 56. Well, if I know my little trick, I can count by tens by going down that elevator. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And now I can go across by counting by ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. I landed on 60, the same exact number. But look how much more work I had to do. So if we know that strategy of starting to add with the bigger number and then counting up with the smaller number, it will really save us a lot of time and work. Awesome job. Let's try another one. Go ahead and clear off your whiteboard and your sheet protector. This time, we're going to take a look at a subtraction problem. We've been working on addition problems as we were finding the total. Now let's see about this one. Here's our problem. A boy weighs 50 pounds. Here you can see the little boy. An octopus weighs 20 pounds. Here's the octopus. How much more does the boy weigh? Notice that we don't see the word total or in all. This time we see how much more. And that means that this is going to be a subtraction problem. Go ahead and see if you can solve this one on your number grid. Remember, you're going to have to count back to solve the problem. Press that pause button while you work it out. See if you can also come up with the number model. When you're done, press play. We'll see how you did. All right, let's see. Well, this time it's not a part-part total. Because it's subtraction, it's quantity, quantity, difference. Big Q, little q, and then the difference. How far apart they are. Well, my big Q in this problem was 50. And my little q in this problem was 20. And my difference is what I need to figure out. So I'm going to put a question mark there. Now, by using my diagram or thinking about my diagram, this helps me to tell what type of a problem it is. And remember, if it's subtraction, my biggest number at the top comes first. 50 minus 20 equals question mark. Now I can use my number grid to solve this problem. Maybe some of you did that and started at the number 50. And then all you have to do is count back 20. Now I can count back 20 the hard way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I land on the number 30. Or I could count back a quicker way. I can count back by starting at 50 and then going up the elevator by tens. 10, 20. And I still landed on the number 30. One of those ways is a long way. The other way is an efficient way, a quick way to do it. But both ways, I ended up getting the answer 30 pounds. Now this problem can also be done with longs. Let me show you. If I had 50 in longs, that means I would have 5 longs. Here they are. That gives me 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And if I want to take away 20, that means I'm going to take away 10, 20. How much did it leave me with? It left me with 10, 20, 30. So that's another strategy that we can use to solve some bigger problems. Also, remember, 5 minus 2 equals 3. So 50 minus 20 equals 30. Awesome job. Clear off your sheet protector and your whiteboard. Let's try one more. This time, I want you to try this one all by yourself. An owl weighs 5 pounds. A penguin weighs 75 pounds. What is their total weight? See if you can come up with the number model and use a strategy to solve this problem. When you're done, press that play button and we'll see how you did. Go ahead and hit pause while you work this one out. Well, my key word here is total. Total tells me I'm going to use a part-part total diagram and I'm going to add. So let's take a look. Here's my part-part total. One of my parts was the number 5. The other part was the number 75. My total, I just don't know yet. That's what I'm trying to solve for. But I can now see my number model. 5 plus 75 equals question mark. Now, hopefully, you use the efficient way to solve this problem. Hopefully, you did 75 to start. Once you find 75, then all you have to do is count up 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there it is. I landed on the number 80. So our answer is 80 pounds. That's the total. And that's the efficient way to solve this problem. Imagine if I started at the number 5 and had to count up 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. If I did it right, I can also get the same answer. But it's a lot more work. And in math, we want to look for that efficient way, that quick way to get us the correct answer. All right, my mathematicians, today you are going to have some problems to solve in Seesaw, where you're going to be adding or subtracting some multi-digit numbers. And I can't wait to see how smart you are.